I'm just about to reveal the easiest way that you guys can make money with a Telegram group or a Telegram channel in 2023 and beyond, so let's get started. Now, the reason I chose Telegram specifically is the fact that their groups can actually hold up to 200,000 members as compared to other apps such as WhatsApp that can only have about 1,000 members inside. That is a significant difference. In other words, if you can find a way to drive people to your Telegram group, then the sky is the limit here. The chances of reaching that upper limit are very, very slim. If you have 200,000 members, you're probably already making a lot of money, so you don't need to watch this video. But now let's get a little bit of background. If you build a Telegram channel, I'm gonna suppose that all those people inside the community have some similar interests, because that's why they have joined the community in the first place. Let's just say they're interested in photography or cryptocurrency or finance, whatever it is, they have something in common. And that is precisely what we are going to leverage moving forward. So to keep things simple, I want you guys to head over to telega.io. This is the main website we're gonna make use of to monetize our channel, and I'm about to break it down for you. The website is optimized for two different types of people, and those are advertisers and then channel owners. We're not interested in advertising for now, so let's just switch over to channel owner. And this right here is where the magic happens. Guys, take a look at this. We're talking about an extra $500 on average that you can make by selling advertisements in your channel on a monthly basis. $500. Not only that, but there is an insatiable demand for traffic. We've got over 70,000 different advertisers that are ready to pay for your Telegram audience. And to put things in perspective even better, we're talking about 2 orders that appear on the ad exchange every 2 minutes. That is how their whole program is structured. There will be an ad exchange where you can partner up with advertisers and allow them to simply post their advertising materials in your Telegram channel. That's what this website is all about. But here's the thing about it, $500 a month is just the average. Certain communities in particular can make a lot more than that. So let's take a look at a more precise estimation depending on your niche. Well, take a look at this. They actually have a calculator that will make things crystal clear for you. This is how you get to calculate your channel revenue per placement. And so guys, there are a few different metrics we can play around with, a few variables that we can control. First off, the number of subscribers. Let's just say that you've just started out and you have 10,000 members, which is still a significant number, but it is not impossible to get there. It is fairly simple, and as a matter of fact, I'm gonna help you out in order to build your community as well. I'll show you a few tips and tricks that will help you build a Telegram channel. For now, let's just add that figure. It's pretty difficult to get exactly 10,000, so this is the closest I could get. 10,400 members, or subscribers, however you want to call them, inside your Telegram channel. Now, the next thing we need to do is find the topic. Why did they join the channel? What kind of content are you posting? Is it all about fitness? Is it related to food and cooking? Or perhaps history? Are these movie freaks? Or are your subscribers passionate about pets and animals? Depending on the niche you pick, your estimated income will change significantly. For instance, pets and animals is not the most desirable niche, and that's only gonna pay you $17 for 10,000 subscribers. If you're focusing on airdrops, that's a way more profitable niche, and it makes sense if you think about it. The people inside your Telegram channel are way more likely to engage with the content because they are used to taking part in all sorts of different giveaways and challenges, all sorts of airdrops, right? And that's a plus for advertisers. In comparison, beauty will pay you $122, which is not too bad. Cryptocurrencies, here's another really good one, $224. But now, let's not get lost with the technicalities. What you have to understand is that withdrawing your profits is not going to be too difficult. You can withdraw your funds 3 times a week, and just in case you encounter any type of issues, they will have 24/7 support. How does it work? Well, it's a 3-step process. First off, you add a channel to the catalog, and on average, moderation takes about 24 hours, so it's not a lengthy process. Then you start receiving orders and you publish them. You will get notifications whenever you got a new offer, so you can quickly respond. And then ultimately you get paid. Whenever your account reaches the minimum threshold of $10, you can make a withdrawal. And all in all, this is just a concept that simply makes sense. You've got the traffic, the advertiser has the product or the service, and they want to sell that product to your audience. So it's a win-win situation for everyone that's involved. You get paid for your traffic, the advertiser gets to promote their service, and even your community members, they might actually find some value in those offers that the advertisers promote, unless they are really spammy and fishy, which is not that desirable. but you can control that because you're in charge of what kind of offers you run. So it's not as if you're forced to promote products that you don't like. You get the final say. So you're still in charge of decision making for your Telegram channel. Now, on the other side, if you're already selling products online and you want to take advantage of an untapped source of traffic, you may want to switch over to the advertising section and actually promote your own products and services, coaching programs, or whatever it is that you are doing to various Telegram groups that are interested in the topic and are good potential clients. You get to sign up on telega.io, then select suitable channels in the catalog, and you have a wide range of options. Then you get to top up your balance, create an ad campaign, the channel owner publishes the ad post, and you get a link in order to check the performance. And ultimately, you can download the ad report, and so you know exactly whether or not your investment was worth it. But it's a really cool way to advertise, and it's not very common. I haven't seen a lot of people do this, so this is literally an untapped source of traffic. If you're targeting the right audience for your products, then this can be a really cool opportunity. But alright, here's the thing. There's a pretty good chance that some of you, or actually most of you watching the video, don't have your own business and don't have your own Telegram channel. So you cannot take advantage of the advertiser section and you cannot take advantage of the channel owner section either. In other words, you cannot use the website at all. Well, if that's the case and you want to build your own Telegram channel from scratch, there are a few things you can do right now. The first one of them is finding your niche, finding a subject that you're genuinely passionate about. It doesn't necessarily need to be your domain of expertise, just in case that is boring and nobody else is interested in it, but just something that you're genuinely passionate about and you spend time reading about it. For instance, even if you're a couch potato who sits around all day and you watch movies, chances are you know something about those movies. You know something about the actors, about the cast, about the plot. So you do have something to offer to a community. And trust me, there are people out there with the same exact interests as you. And that's precisely what you want to do. You want to build a Telegram channel of people with similar interests. And that is a lot more valuable than just driving people randomly. And so instead of doing all of the guesswork yourself and trying strategies that are not proven to work, here are 9 of the best ways you can get Telegram members for your channel or group. And the first one of them might be pretty obvious, but it actually works. And that is inviting your friends. You probably don't have thousands of friends, so this is a very limited avenue, but you can still get your first 100 or 200 members by simply doing that. And once you're past that step, you can start promoting on social media. You can share links on Quora, Facebook pages, Facebook groups as well, or jump on trending TikTok. And this is a huge one. Making use of TikTok might be one of the best shortcuts. It's absolutely free of charge, but it does take a lot of time and effort. The next thing you need to do is participate in chat groups, but they need to be related to your channel's topic. Again, this is a huge one. You want to make sure that all your channel's members have something in common, they have similar interests. That's the most important part. If you lose that, then your Telegram channel is not valuable anymore. You've just got a collection of random people that don't care about similar things, so your traffic is not valuable for advertisers. That's an important one. Now, obviously getting your first few hundred or few thousand channel members is gonna be the most difficult part because you don't have any momentum going on. But once you have more than 5,000 subscribers, which realistically speaking is going to take a while, what you can do is called cross promotion. You can basically promote other channels inside yours and they will promote you in exchange. It's a win-win situation for everyone and it works. It's free of charge, but there are no guarantees. Telegram channel catalogs. What about this one? Well, believe it or not, you can connect to platforms such as tgstat.com and actually list your Telegram channel for other people to join. For instance, I can go over to the channels based in India, open the catalog, and there you go. At this point, I can even start browsing by the category. Some of them are all about career advice, some of them are all about health and fitness, other ones are centered around quotes, games, music. I'm sure you get the point here. This is just an extra way that you can drive some traffic to your channel, apart from the other ones as well. But once you really start making some money, what you can do is reinvest a part of your profits. And this is the point where you have a lot of momentum going on. You can start running paid promotions in Telegram channels, you can do targeted advertising, and we're talking about Facebook ads, or you can even buy bots. Even though I'm not sure this is gonna help a lot, because advertisers do not want to pay for communities that have a lot of bots, and they probably have a lot of ways to figure that out, so you're not fooling anyone. And it is pretty obvious too. You see, back when the crypto market was a huge thing about a year ago, there are a lot of new NFT projects listed almost on a daily basis. And you could connect to platforms such as Rarity.tools and find all of these Telegram and Discord communities. And you could tell that a lot of them were just paying for artificial traffic, just getting bots in order to make it seem like they've got a huge community that's backing the project up. So you don't want to fall into that category. You want to build your Telegram group organically by using all of those tips and tricks. It is going to take a while, but as you've just seen, this can be an insanely profitable side hustle if done right. We're talking about an extra $500 on average off of a single Telegram channel. So if you want to give it a try, you've got everything it takes. That's it for now, and thanks for watching.